Hi, welcome back to Mindscape by Ambreen. Have you ever wondered why some vegetable gardens struggle, even with good soil and sunlight? Pests sneak in, pollinators don't show up, and harvests feel smaller than expected. The good news is, there's a simple, natural solution. Flowers. Planting the right flowers alongside your vegetables can boost pollination, repel harmful insects, and make your garden more colorful and productive. Here are the top 10 best flowers for a vegetable garden. Number 1. Marigolds, natural pest repellents. Number 2. Nasturtiums, clever trap crops that lure pests away. Number 3. Sunflowers. They attract pollinators and even act as natural trellises. Number 4. Zinnias, continuous bloomers that bring in bees and butterflies. Number 5. Calendula, the healer flower with edible and antifungal properties. Number 6. Lavender, aromatic and powerful against moths and mosquitoes. Number 7. Borage, pollinator's best friend, also enriches the soil. Number 8. Cosmos, low maintenance and long blooming. Number 9. Sweet Alyssum, a living ground cover that attracts hoverflies. And number 10. Chamomile, the gentle helper, improving plant health and flavor. So remember, flowers aren't just pretty. They're powerful allies in your garden. Add a few of these blooms and you'll enjoy healthier vegetables, bigger harvests, and a more vibrant garden. Thanks for watching Mindscape by Ambreen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more gardening tips.